If you would like the members of your team to have additional details of your calendar, you can add this option directly from Outlook. To do this, you can go to File, Options, Calendar, and in the Calendar Options section, you can click on Free Busy Options. In here, you will see My Organization, and you can select all these different options. If you select None, then no one in your organization will be able to see your calendar in the Scheduling Assistant. If you click Can View When I'm Busy, then they will only be able to see if you have a busy schedule or an open schedule. If you click Can View Titles and Locations, it will add more information for them, or Can View All Details will give them all the information that you put in your calendar in an open manner. It is suggested that if, for example, you would like to share this information with your boss but not with the rest of your teammates, you can add from this screen your direct supervisor and select different permission levels for both names. In this case, you will have your direct supervisor be able to see all of your details in your calendar, where the rest of your organization can only view when you're busy. You click OK and apply this information, and then you will have more details available on the Scheduling Assistant. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it on your social media. And remember to follow p3.hero on all of their social media. And subscribe to my newsletter to get more content like this. Thank you very much for your support.